The world of mobile accessories often seems catered towards iPhone users. But there are many gadgets for Android too. As an Android user, I personally like to accessorize my phone with gadgets. Today we will talk about some of the gadgets that are futuristic and can increase your efficiency. If you enjoy our content, give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. The fact that each Android have different type of charging port is very frustrating and difficult. So today I am reviewing their latest product called inCharge 6. This is a 6-in-1 connecting cable that lets you connect between different types of USB devices. To be exact, inCharge 6 supports USB, Type-C, Lightning, and Micro USB. There are 6 combinations that you can mix and match. Have you ever wanted to have a personal photographer who can capture stunning photos and videos? We have a new gadget here that can do a lot more than these. Meet Pavlopod, a motorized smartphone mount. It is a smartphone accessory that turns your smartphone into a cameraman. By using a motorized head that can be either controlled by a remote or by using their phone with Bluetooth. Pavlopod can do a lot of things, including automated time-lapse, panorama, object tracking, etc. On the camera screen, you can press anywhere to choose it as a highlighted object. So, Pavo will stick to that object and tracks it, even if you move the object to a different place. If you are looking for a comfortable and exquisitely designed portable stand for your tablet or smartphone, then the Mothx phone stand is the way to go. Interestingly, you will get to enjoy wonderful comfort while working on your devices without even noticing this stand was there in the first place. It does not add any baggage to your phone or tablet. This Mothx phone stand will allow you to enjoy the best angles with your cell phone, which will guarantee you immense comfort as well as clarity of content. It will be a bliss to get by your day-to-day business without stressing. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be able to put a motor in paper airplane and turn it into an RC airplane? Well, now you can, with this device that attaches to any paper airplane and allows you to fly it from the ground. That means you can turn a simple paper airplane, or balsa wood or cardboard plane, into a fully functioning RC airplane with this amazing device. The device also includes a wind stabilizer, allowing you to fly in windy conditions, as well as a launch assist, meaning that even if you throw a bad launch for your flight, the onboard computer will stabilize the plane and pull it up safely into flight. Wonder Cube Pro, as the name suggests, is definitely a wonder. The company has brought all the mobile essentials together in a single cube. It has a phone stand, memory, charger and torch. They have designed it into a keychain so it's easy to carry. It was originally designed for Apple phones, but works with Android as well. This tiny gadget is probably the best all-in-one. If you are a travel freak, you should definitely check out this cool smartphone holder for your car. Pitaka cell phone holder is not just a regular holder, it is equipped with a magnetic QI charging surface, which means that you can attach your phone to this holder and recharge the phone's battery simultaneously. Those USB cables are messy and inconvenient, but with a wireless charging option, things will be on the go. You attach your phone to the holder and it starts charging automatically, no cables or buttons pressed.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment to support our channel. And don't forget to check our other videos, link in the description. Stay safe, see ya.